Well, look, boys, here we are. We made it to the boat ramp. Trying to put my snacks in my pocket. Anyways, they don't really fit in my pocket. But we're gonna get everything unloaded off the boat, get everything ready before we get her launched off. Brently's parking the truck over here, and we're gonna get on some crappie. Hopefully, hopefully we catch some big ones. Get it on film. Maybe we get Kennedy on her first one. Maybe I don't know if it's her first, but maybe it'll be her biggest. Y'all stay tuned. Well, we're just finally now getting out here. The wind's crazy. I'm checking out something a little new. It's not looking too good. I'm not seeing too much brush or too many fish roaming. I think they're closer up into this creek more. But we're going to mosey our way up this way. I'll get back to you when I start catching them or finding them. Giving it? Well, you want to give it a kiss, Kennedy? No. You want to put him in a live well? You want to hold him or nothing?
Yeah, sure.
He looks just a little slimy. Just a little slimy. They go good with candy. Be easy on plunking that because they hear that. Hey-ya. Leave it up. Thought it was coming back.
I don't even see him.
There he is. There's some nice fish too. Oh, dude, those are all slab daddies down there. They just all won't bite. Am I still recording?
Yes.
Nice. Another nice fish. Here, Kennedy. Oh.
You reeled in?
Oh, dude, I'm stuck in the tree.
He's on your side.
Oh, yeah. Alright, give us a mid-fishing update.
Well, we got back here in this, I don't even know what you call it, little cutoff.
It's a creek, basically.
And the wind's died down, so that's good, but it's still blowing.
Still like 25-mile-an-hour winds, yeah.
Well, every once in a while we get in wind spots, but no, well, these fish are piled up on this brush, and
maybe I don't want anymore.
all right. So these fish are piled up on this brush, and we're getting them in there and getting them out.
There's some roaming off the brush, there's some chasing bait. There's a lot of them sticking to this brush and being real snooty about it. They want you to either really drag it across them really fast to begin with, and if they don't want that anymore, they want you to dead stick it almost right there in front of them. Hold it for them. Yeah, got a lot of fish in there. Why don't you pick one up for us?
Yeah, pick us one up. Remember I showed you?
No. See that? They're not in any of the tops of it up here. Ooh, geez, Murphy. There's one right there. Watch your stick. There, like right.
I see 5.
Yeah, you see that out there at 10 or something?
I'm gonna get home.
I thought about that one too, but
He's down there, dude. Look at him.
that's
right
a
there at
big one.
5. I've been hung up 4 times a day. I'm gonna let you have this one.
Changing out GoPro batteries here, folks. It's been probably like 2 hours since the last GoPro battery, and boy, we have whacked them and stacked them. Really has caught the crap out of them. Show them off. you go. You see him somewhat. But yeah. There you go. Show them dudes off some toads, boys. Some toads. Brently's been out here catching them all, so. Yeah, Kennedy too.
Well, we're catching them all.
We're catching them.
How did that come off?
What?
You
just broke it all.
I just barely even.
I've seen that.
Somebody, whoever tied this, doesn't know what they're doing. Obviously, ain't that right, Kennedy?
Obviously.
Whoever tied that,
Yeah.
idiot.
Kennedy's up to bat.
Where?
We got some fish right in front of us.
Sit right here.
See if I pull them off?
Hopefully now we can catch some fish.
Sit down. You gotta sit down so we can see the screen. So if you sit right there, whenever we catch one, we'll let you reel it in.
Ribbit.
Just recording.
Ribbit.
There he is. Come here, Kennedy.
See how easy that was?
Reel it in. Reel it hard, reel it. There he is. All right, now sling him in. Pull him in here. Yeah. Fishy. There you go. Oh, made her lick it.
No, he touched my nose. It touched my nose.
You want to give him a little kiss where he goes? He's going back in the water. Give him a kiss. Tell him thank you. Mwah.
Ew.
Yeah. Fishy slimy.
Sit back down before you fall. And someone's gonna have to get wet to come get you.
I want to get some leaves and throw it back in the water.
Got him.
Of course I got him. I put him out there. Same bass.
Ah! Be careful, it's out of the water.
It's out of the water, Bree.
Leave. Then what happened right there?
Tree fell over. It's maybe a beaver.
Made you look.
No.
I think I was already looking.
Yeah, I was already looking. Yeah, what B said. Yeah.
Well, it still made you look.
Throw it in there, B. Throw it in there, B. Both of us in there. Dropping like missiles.
Bubble who? Boo. Did you reel something?
Yeah, I got him.
Ah,
A little crappie.
I wanted to reel him in.
Nice little 10-inch.
Living
Living crappie.
That's about all of them. They're barely hitting it.
The other
Mine
day
tastes like
waylaying it. What color are you using?
That's what me
Black
reel it in.
and gray, or black and gray, yeah. Speckle on it. Bobby Garland.
Have you caught any of these little fishies?
Yeah, they kind of not that great.
You don't like them, huh?
They're not that great. They're eating the out of Bobby Garland more.
Are they?
Yeah. That or a hair jig, something smaller profile. If you got the smaller little fishies, they bite those better.
So find out that she didn't know her ass.
Bigger, there you go.
No, that ain't hers. Never mind.
Yeah, them's the good ones. Well, them's also the good ones.
Them's the greats.
Pick up everyone.
Them wasn't for you.
Yeah, they come from everywhere. Come grab them.
Look there, black crappie. Big.
All right, one more, and then we gotta get out of here.
back to the trees that were producing. I've got mine a good foot away from the weight. Let's get down here. Country roads, take me home to the place Kennedy belongs, West Virginia, Mountain Mama.
Do you even know where I live?
Take me home. No, I know where Brently lives though.
The same place where I live.
Oh, you're homeless, last I heard.
Come on, get back here, Kennedy. Kennedy, you got enough. Get back here. Chill on the candy.
Well, folks, that's it. It's gonna be it for the day. Had a pretty good time. How about you, Kennedy? Did you have a good time? Good. She caught plenty of fish. Brently caught a few. She caught more than Brently.
Every time.
But it happens, folks. We slayed them. I think we caught probably, I don't know, 40, 50 again. It was quite the evening, folks. If you guys like this video, you guys go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys can see every time we're posting something. But you guys have a great time. See ya.